Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and this is 432 hertz frequency. Just send some calming, good vibes. Let's pull 3 spirit animal messages now together. That sounds like a good idea. Frog, prosperity. Let go of the past and embrace change. Opportunities are close at hand. Hop into this new day with joy. Abundance and good fortune await you. So, bringing in this hot to get when you leap, I think of a frog and how, I'm just trying to think, let me jump. Fox, clever. You are swift and smart. Solutions to problems are easily found. Always listen to your instincts. Resources surround you. Be open to romance. Prosperity, frog, clever, fox, deer, love. Be gentle with yourself. You heal with the power of love. See the light in all things. Acknowledge your self-worth and grace. Prosperity, clever, and love. I feel like you're, like, it's like when you, that lover's leap, maybe it's like a lover's leap into something that you're passionate about, and it's starting out in a good place with prosperity, and maybe it's leading to, I feel like there's a bond here, honestly, and I apologize, but I feel like you're gonna meet someone that it's like that togetherness with this person is gonna amplify love for yourself and love, and just love, period. And it's gonna bring heightened forms of abundance.